The by-election for 11 Panji Assembly constituency was held peacefully today, that is 19th May 2019. As per the schedule, at 6 a.m. the mock poll started in all the polling stations, and at 7 a.m. the actual poll started. Polling agents were present in all polling stations. During the mock poll, there was no EVM found fault, so there was no replacement of EVMs during the mock poll. The total number of electors is 22,482, which is 10,697 male and 11,785. This is the total electors, of which the total number of votes cast is 16,924. The total votes cast is 16,924, which is 75.25%. 19 male, 8,799 female, which is 75.25% of the total electors. The highest turnout was in booth number 16 with 89.86% votes cast, and the lowest was in booth number 15, which is 63.96%. At 6 p.m. there was no queue in any of the polling stations, so at 6 p.m. the poll was closed in all the 30 polling stations. As for the replacement of machines, in one polling station, that is polling station number 5, the entire set of BU, CU and VVPAT was replaced at about 1:45 p.m. In another two polling stations, at polling station number 6 and 9, only the VVPAT was replaced. In polling station number 6 at about 5:20 p.m. and in polling station number 9 at 11 a.m. the VVPAT was replaced, one because there was a paper fall error, and other because there was a VSDU error. The total number of PWD voters who were tagged was 115, of which 101 PWD voters have come out and cast their vote, which is 87.82% of the total PWD voters. So we had, as I explained yesterday, we had done specific trainings to the PWD voters and tried to motivate them to come and vote. We feel that those efforts have been successful, because out of 115 PWD voters, 101 voters have come out and voted. Largely there was no incidents. There were minor complaints of crowd gathering within the 200 meters of the polling station. Immediately after we got these complaints, the security forces were alerted, and we ensured that there was no such gathering around. We received a complaint on the NGRS portal that one voter was intimidated by a BJP party worker from preventing from voting. Immediately after we got the complaint, we tried to find out who that voter was, and through our sector officers, flying squads, and also with the assistance of the police, we found out the person, the lady who was reported to have been intimidated, and it was confirmed that she had already casted her vote. So we had called for an inquiry at the level of the RO and also at the level of the DEO. An inquiry has been initiated. We have called the lady who was reported to have been intimidated, and it has been confirmed that she has cast her vote. To that extent, there is no complaint of intimidation as long as everybody has voted.
What happens to people inserting advertisement on the day of polling, appealing people?
There is a provision in the ECI's guidelines that if it is certified by the MCMC, the Media Certification Committee, then it can appear in print media.
No, even on the day of polling.
Yes, even on the day. General elections 2017 assembly elections, for Panji Assembly constituency it was 78.38%, and that was including the postal ballots, and excluding postal ballots it was 77.05%. In the by-election of 2017 it was 69.98%, and the present by-election it is 75.25%.